Hey y'all, I just wanted to show off a new fixture I'm working on for key assembly. I've slightly changed how the magnets go into the keys for Svalboard, and I wanted to show how this works. So what we have here is a plate that has magnets in the back of it in just the right position to hold the magnets that are going to go into the keys here. So what I'm going to do is just put a tiny bit of super glue right there in the holes for each of the magnets, and then I'm going to use my special magnet dropper tool to drop them in, and they auto seat, and the holes are the perfect size and depth so that they're snug but not requiring any press fit. So you can see that there's a little bit of glue squeeze out at the top and bottom. A precision glue dispenser will help with this, and I'm getting one of those in soon. But what you can see here is that if we tip down, these are basically dead flush as is. So this is really simplifying things. And it turns out that if you need to get them even more flush, you can just gently tap them like so, and they'll stay exactly where you need them to be. So this is an awesome fixture, and it turns out that also if you take one of these fixtures when it's full of keys and you turn it over onto another fixture that has opposite magnet polarity on the backside, you can get the keys all off in a really simple motion. So here they all are, and one of the great things about magnets is that they're self-arranging, so I can just gather all these keys off this tray and poof, they're in an easy to grab clump, drop them in the storage container for later for assembly, and there we go. So lots of fun with fixtures here at the Svalboard factory. Here's an example of those keys that I just made in a key cluster. So clicky, oh my gosh, the clickiest. So the reason for this revision of the assembly process is basically that I'm trying to get to ultimate consistency on key feel. Depending on how proud the magnets are, whether they're proud or slightly or perfectly flush or slightly subflush, you'll get a different feel in the key. It's not a huge difference, you know, it's a matter of a few grams and a sense of tactility that's just slightly sharper, but I'm kind of obsessive about that, and I want everyone to have the perfect experience, so I've been working on all of this. Anyway, more later as I keep developing fixtures and building rigs here.